The text editor is designed for editing and viewing plain text files to fulfill various text editing requirements. It supports a diverse array of coding formats and provides programming language syntax highlighting to enhance code readability and comprehension. You can create a new text or open existing text content. The default document file type for new text is TXT in UTF-8 format, and new text will be the default name. Editing operations such as copying, cutting, and pasting can be performed on the text content. The magnifying glass icon in the upper right corner allows you to find and replace the content in the file. In the Appearance interface of settings, you can select the interface style and display settings of the text editor. You can set the line break, indentation style, and characters used for editing. You can check the following options on the file page.